So I am the last reporter of our group and I will discuss the payment under protest. So yung taxpayer ay kailangan munang magbayad ng tax bago siya maghain ng protesta about doon sa amount na ipoprotesta niya bago siya i-entertain regarding doon sa issue. Sa loob ng 30 days from payment of the tax, dapat si taxpayer ay maghain muna ng protest in writing with the treasurer of provincial, city, or municipality, and after that, si treasurer magdi-decide na siya about doon sa protesta ni taxpayer sa loob ng 60 days from receipt. If protest is decided in favor of the taxpayer, the amount protested shall be refunded to him, credited against his existing or future tax liabilities. Pero kung ang protesta ni taxpayer ay tinanggihan sa paglipas ng 60 days period, siya ay pwedeng lumipat o umapila sa Local Board of Assessment Appeal, then to the Central Board of Assessment Appeal. Interest on unpaid real property tax. So when we say delinquent tax, it is an official document showing the tax that have not been paid as agreed on land or property. So in this interest on unpaid property tax, kapag di nakapagbayad ng buwis before due or when due, ay dapat nang magbayad ng interest na 2% per month. Kung ang ibang bahagi ng buwis ay hindi nabayaran before the 31st day of March, ang interest na 2% ay bibilangin from January 1 for every month from delinquency based on the amount due for the whole year. Period within which to collect real property tax. The real property tax and any other tax levied under this title shall be collected within 5 years from the date they become due. But after this period expires, no action for the collection of the tax shall be initiated. The period of prescription within which to collect is suspended for the time during which the local treasurer is legally prevented from collecting the tax. Ito yung mga local treasurer na legal na pinipigilan sa pagkolekta ng buwis. The owner of the property or the person having legal interest therein request for reinvestigation and execute a waiver in writing before the expiration of the period within which to collect, and the owner of the property or the person having legal interest therein is out of the country or otherwise cannot be located. Remedies for the collection of real property tax. For the collection of the real property tax, the local government unit may avail of the remedies, which is levy on real property and sale of real property at public auction. Levy on real property means after the expiration of the time required to pay the delinquent tax or delinquent revenue as prescribed in this section, real property may be levied upon before simultaneously or after the distraint of personal property belonging to the delinquent. Sale of real property at public auction. Public auction is an auction held on behalf of a government in which the property to be auctioned is either property owned by the government or property which is sold under the authority of a court of law or a government agency with similar authority. And last, general revision of assessment and property classification. Its primary purpose is to update violation at ito yung nagiging way ng assessors na tuklasin muli ang mga properties na nawala sa assessment rule. And the provincial, city, or municipal assessor shall undertake a general revision of real property assessment within 2 years after the effectivity of the LGC and every 3 years thereafter.